This is the first. Let's see if this works. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
What's it up?
My fucking god, that was mental!
Welcome to the urban exploring van tour.
Nah!
Not tan.
Fine. Right, so today, where are we going?
Straight out of Compton.
Well, we're doing first the lighthouse, which is just like a little.
The lighthouse.
Well, yeah, let's check the lighthouse out. We're going to check out.
It's the exact lighthouse from the Ring.
Everything's from the Ring. This is the Ring tour.
I've got a big ring.
We know. So, after about a year off from the horse show, we decided to bring it back because we have literally got so much footage that we never show anyone, and we just want an excuse to show everyone. That's what the horse show is all about. It's not necessarily about urban exploring, but again, it is. So last night we slept here, and the sea is just there, and we're going to go check out our lighthouse. So, welcome back to the horse show. Morning.
Welcome to Happy Town, where everyone's happy and running.
Everyone's running away from Summit Lloydie.
Run and be happy, Al. Al, run and be happy.
Oh, it looks like your legs are going to just buckle.
He's got such a small ass, hasn't he?
Yeah, it's,
But just look at his bum.
it's literally back to
It's
legs.
like, it's just so tiny.
It's a bit perky though when you have a look at it.
It's not.
It's very,
I've seen your ass.
it's just very small.
Let's go off the beaten track, up the dunes.
Off piece, because when
Try-
they go right, we go left.
We'll try and find this
2018.
goddamn lighthouse. What? We're going the wrong way. Apparently the lighthouse is exactly as the crow flies this way, according to Mark Lloyd. I got a sandwich addiction.
So stop trying to rap and get your ass back in the kitchen.
What a day. What a time to be alive. Moan, moan, moan. That's all you do, Al. Oh, I know. We'll take him. I know, Lloyd. We'll take him to this nice lighthouse. That'll cheer him up. 2 minutes in. Has they found it?
Land ahoy! I mean, lighthouse ahoy. Look at that. This is the never-ending beach.
Pretty fucking good, actually. Isn't
Pretty fucking good. Oh look, an ancient historical monument.
Kick it, Lloyd, you kick it, I dare you.
I'm not kicking it.
The pagan gods.
I dare you to kick it.
I'll get bad luck.
The pagan gods will find
I dare you.
It's a shrine to the
Alex, that could be it's the shrine to a dead person.
You're fucked now. Fuck them.
Tamara's gonna come after you.
I bet it's pretty cool if you lived on it and then the tide came in.
Well, then you'd be stranded.
Oh, they've actually got decent shells.
I know.
They've actually got decent shells.
Is it?
It's stealing from the
What?
beach.
Oh, nice. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice
Oh, there's
little
one
shell.
behind your foot.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's one here. No. This is a special one. It's an extra thin one.
Oh.
It's like, you know, like those McVitie's thins.
Stopping cutting my fingernails. Do you like my progress? Can we have a beach there somewhere where it's warm?
This is like the best beach I've ever seen.
It would be if
And
you
we'll
could drive
just-
your car on it.
Oh, there would have been a pier.
A pier?
Wooden. Do you
What?
reckon we can
Like
jump?
Wigan Pier? Is that dog collar?
Yeah, it's Daisy's.
Who is it?
It's Daisy's dog collar.
Is that Daisy's dog collar?
I'm not explaining why that's inappropriate.
Look at that. That is pretty fucking cool. That. Wish you could go in it. Yeah, you can't go in it. Should we explain that now?
Oh, we can't go in it. Oh, that's explained.
that's-
I can't sing that song I was gonna sing because I'm recording.
I have a chair. I have a chair.
I get it. And you were just like stranded on it, and there's water
Forever. See, guy. That's pretty much it.
Why
isn't
ain't it painted red?
Why would it be painted red?
Lighthouses are red.
No, they're not. Only in fucking kids' books, Al.
Well, I've never seen a real lighthouse before. I
They're
don't know
usually
if they
white,
exist.
mate.
Gotta walk all the way around it, and yeah, it'd be rude not to be, and then I could fall into the moat. Can't bring myself to go all the way around.
I don't want.
Come on.
Why not? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I didn't even see this bit. I could have just climbed up this instead of going over them rocks. Whoa! I almost died then on camera. You've been framed moment. And on that bombshell, if you want to support the Ho Army, get yourself some merch. uptheho.com/shop. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. You got anything else to add, Al?
It's about to come and hit your head.
Fucking hell!